Alright, I'm Carl, and this is the Firepower .45
Stupid glare. Okay, it's good.
from the Metal Slide series. And I'll just have you look at the box for a few seconds. Nothing's on the side. There's some EBs that come with it too. Alright, so it's Metal Slide Firepower .45. Its FPS is 328. Its energy is 0.6. Its power is from a spring. Shoot up to 85 yards. It comes with this ammo thing, mag, and it fits 12 BBs. Its shooting system is the BAXS, and the accuracy is 25 out of 25. So now,
Wait.
what?
My Jerry has more ammo in its mag than
Yes, it does.
that
But this is a much bigger
thing.
Alright, so now we're gonna cut it up.
Ooh, the perfect angle.
You gotta be 18 or older to purchase the weapon. Just letting you guys know. Alright, so here's your instruction manual with some, looks like almost 50 BBs around there. Right? What do you think? 50? 100?
30.
There's what it has on the thing. Now let's go to. Oh wow, this thing really feels like a gun.
Ooh, look at that flame.
You see it coming?
Charcoal, some burgers. What happened?
See, this is the gun. And I'm guessing, I don't really know about.
Spin it around for us without your hands being in the way. Turn it.
I'm getting there. This is the front. Bam,
Oh yeah,
bam.
yeah. I want to see the. No, turn. No,
What?
let me see the. Let me. Where's the camera at? Let me see the inside the barrel. Where's the? Okay, I got it.
Okay.
Okay.
They got the warning sticker. Not a toy, of course.
Okay.
Alright, and here's a trigger where you put the mag. Has a nice, feel on the handle.
Nice feel.
And it has, this thing.
Yes.
That I can't put back without shooting, but anyways. Then it has, this, actually a nice iron sight, in my opinion.
I can't. Hold on. Just stop moving. Stop moving. There.
You get the point. Anyways, so that's that thing.
Now put the mag in. Let's hear the sound of the mag going in.
I thought it was gonna be a loud ass. Alright, here's the mag. See the mag? It's a nice little mag. And you fire. It's really quiet. I'm surprised.
My Jerry has more sound
Jerry got more sound than this thing, but I'm surprised how silent it is.
James Bond right there, man.
Yeah, I'm trying to see what else this thing has. Never mind. It's actually kind of loud. Guess I didn't know how to shoot the thing. Anyways, so this is the Firepower.
And that's his
.45, and there's my sock. And this has been an unboxing of the Firepower .45 with the BBs, instruction manual, little plastic baggie. And I will talk to you guys later.
You guys tell us how many are in this bag.
Yeah, guess. Leave a comment on the bottom. Alright. See ya, viewers.